A security guard was shot and killed during a robbery in River Oaks, Ocho Rios, St. Anne on Saturday. He is 21-year-old Surrey Parson of Valley Bush in St. Mary. Reports from the St. Anne's Bay police said at about 11 p.m., Parson was at a premises with 4 other individuals when gunmen pounced upon them demanding money. When the demand wasn't met, the armed men reportedly opened gunfire, hitting Parson and another man. The man then proceeded to rob the individuals and left with a sum of cash. The wounded people were taken to hospital where Parson was pronounced dead and the injured man admitted. The police have launched a search for a woman suspected to have killed her husband during a domestic dispute at their home in Wakefield, Trelawney, Saturday morning. The deceased is 59-year-old David Brown, otherwise called Dave. Residents say the tragic incident came after what was described as a tumultuous relationship between the man and his wife. A piece of concrete block believed to have been used to deliver the fatal blow was found on the scene. Radio Jamaica News was informed that about 7 a.m., residents heard screams and a commotion involving the woman and her husband. Superintendent Winston Milton, head of Trelawney Police, is urging the wife to surrender. A 68-year-old man has died as a result of injuries he sustained in a crash on Milford Road in Ocho Rios, St. Anne on Friday. Dead is r0b Downer of Sharp Park, Ocho Rios in the parish. Police report that at about 9 a.m. Downer was driving a black motorcycle on the roadway when he made a turn onto the opposite section of the road and collided with a motor car. He was thrown from his motorcycle. The police were summoned and on arrival, Downer was seen with multiple injuries and was taken to hospital where he died while being treated. 19 Haitians nationals are reportedly on the run while 11 have been taken into custody after a landing between Long Road and Hector's River in Portland on Wednesday. The boat in which they arrived cannot be located and it may have sunk. Reports are that residents informed the police of strange people in the community. The 11 Haitians, 2 female and 9 males, were taken to the Port Antonio Hospital for medical checks and then taken into custody at an undisclosed location between Friday and Saturday morning. Observers online understand that they are in good medical condition. The police, along with the Jamaica Defense Force, are carrying out searches as the investigation continues.